Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Wednesday morning. How is everyone today? Um, Today is just going to be real quick. No video yesterday because I spent the day with my sister and niece and we went shopping. I went to Hobby Lobby, and guys, the Hobby Lobby I go to is an hour and about 15 minutes away. I'm going to be so glad when our shopping center here in my hometown opens up and I have a Hobby Lobby that's 10 minutes from me. Yay. I will be so excited when that opens. That shopping center is supposed to be open summer of 26. So, and they're really working on it. It's going up quick. So I'm so excited. So as as of summer of 26, I will have a Hobby Lobby right here at home within 10 minutes of my house that I can go to. And I'm so excited. So anyway, I went to Hobby Lobby. I can't show it right now because I'm waiting. But I got the yarn for the crochet along that I'm going to start, and um, I'm going to announce all the details on that on December 2nd. That's a Tuesday. Next Tuesday, December 2nd, I will be sharing the yarn that I bought and talking about the crochet along. On the 1st of December, I'm having a crochet along announcement just for members only, and we're doing a special crochet along, and I will have a video out December 1st for members only to tell you about that crochet along and give you the details on that. So today is the last video that I'm going to have out this week, um, because tomorrow is Thanksgiving here in the U.S., and my kids are all coming in, and we're having family time the whole weekend. So there will be no videos from me after today until Monday. So what I would love for y'all to do, I know you're probably busy with family too, but if you get a chance and you are going to sit down and watch videos, I would love it if you would go to my playlist and play some of my older videos and rewatch them, or maybe there's some other that you haven't watched yet and watch them again for the first time. Or just to help with my hours and my watches and my views, just pick a playlist and let it run. That will help out a lot on these last few days that I'm not going to be on. I just want to devote this time to family. So, um, this week, today, at 2 p.m. Central today, um, excuse me, I will be coming on live right here on Critters Crochet. And, excuse me, my goodness, for our Battle of the Stitches live. Heather at Strings and Threads will be joining us. Also, we will have Lori from Armchair Chef, and we will have Sarah with One Hook, Two Hands. And they are going to be joining us today at 2 right here on Critters Crochet. I have the thumbnail, everything is up. You can hit notify me so that you don't miss it. So go to my channel and click on the notify me button underneath that video, and it will send you a notification when we go live. We are going to be telling you whose project for this month with the brick stitch, whose project got the most votes, and then we will pick one of you that voted, and you'll get to choose which of the 4 projects you would like to win as a prize. So that's going to be fun, and I'm going to have Lori, Heather, and I, and Sarah will be sharing some upcoming fun stuff that's happening on our channel. So tune in. I know Sarah and Lori and Sarah both have some really cool stuff that is coming up on their channels. So you want to tune in and listen for that. So like I said, I went to Hobby Lobby. I got these 2 trees from my niece who had a yard sale back in the summer. And I thought, oh, those will look so cute up in my craft room to decorate. Well, Hobby Lobby had 50% off on all their Christmas. They have 50% off on all their Christmas right now. So I got 2 of these. They are $6.49. So I got 2 of them for the price of 1. And I've got some little hangers. Sorry for the ringing of the bells. I got some little hangers, but I also, in a drawer over there, and I didn't get any of them out, I have crocheted a few snowflakes. So I think I'm going to see what it looks like to put these bells and the snowflakes on those trees to decorate them up a little bit more. So I got those. And I got a t-shirt. They had half off even on their Christmas t-shirts. Anything that had a tag on it labeled Christmas, it was half price. So I got this t-shirt for $11. I couldn't pass it up. I had to have it. How the Grinch Stole Christmas. But I love the back of it even more than the front. Look at the back. Look. I love this movie. I just love it. So yeah, got this t-shirt. So next month, you're going to be seeing a lot of this shirt. So I'm going to wear that a lot in my videos. Um, so anyway, so starting, like I said, next week, Monday, I will have Monday will be the introduction to the members only collaboration, uh, crochet along collaboration. And Tuesday, the 2nd, will be the introduction video talking to you about I'm doing it as birthstone color for our crochet along. I know some of you have already gotten yarn for this crochet along, and that is fine. You do not have to do birthstone colors. That's just what I'm doing because we're gonna make one 12 by 12 square each month, and at the end of the year we're going to piece all of it together and make a beautiful blanket. And I just thought birthstone colors for each month would be fun. You can do the birthstone colors, and I'm going to show you that on Tuesday. The colors that I picked at Hobby Lobby, but you can use whatever colors you want. So that's what's coming up, guys. I'm trying to think if there's on I'm finishing up my project for Film to Fiber with Shannon from the Spoony Stitcher. Our Film to Fiber was White Christmas. Oh, that movie. I just love that movie. So I'm finishing up my project for that. And on December the 12th at, I believe it's 8 o'clock. Yes, 8 p.m. Central, 9 Eastern. You can watch it on either my channel or Shannon's. We are going to be live, and we're going to reveal the projects we made that inspired us by A White Christmas. I'm trying to think what else. Next Wednesday, I will be sharing with you the stitch for December. We have Jana Kay from, and I'm going to say her channel wrong because she's changed it. It used to be Flourish, Faith, and Fiber. But I believe most of y'all know Jana Kay. But when I announce she's going to join us in December, and so when I put that video out next Wednesday to show you the stitch, I will have her channel linked in the description box. But she's going to be joining us for Battle of the Stitches in December. It's not too late, guys. We still have one spot available for another content creator if you would like to do Battle of the Stitches with us in December. Let's see, it's the parquet stitch. It's this stitch right here, the parquet stitch. And there's going to be so many fun things you could do with this stitch, guys. So if you'd like to be the other content creator to join us in December, just shoot me an email or let me know in the comments below, whatever. My email will be in the description box, so you can email me and let me know you want to join in for December. Let's see. Film to Fiber on the 12th. Oh, the 18th of December, Shannon and I are going to have a Christmas party live. It'll be at 7:30 p.m. and 7:30 Central, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. And we will be wearing our Christmas jammies, probably have some hot chocolate to drink. But we're going to have a fun little Christmas party on the 18th for our live. So make sure that you get that on your calendar. Yeah, I think that's it. I also bought some brown paper bags, and I bought these at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to they're for the kids amigurumis that I made for them, my kids at church. So I'm going to I'm going to take markers and I'm going to decorate them. I think I'm going to get some Christmas stickers and decorate them with stickers and use marker to draw their name in a bubble, in bubble letters, and really fancy it up. And I'm going to decorate each bag to put their amigurumis in. Um, yeah, I think that's about it. I can't think of anything else that's going on. I have, um, I'm going to finish up my film to fiber project. It's almost done. So that's my goal today, is to get my film to fiber project done. And then my next thing to work on are the boys' monsters. This is Tucker's. This is the picture. I haven't shown this in a while, but this is the picture that he drew, and this is what I have so far. I think I'm not doing too bad. The body's not as narrow, but you know, hey, he's gonna love it. So I've got Tucker's, and then let's see, Wyatt, my other grandson, he drew this monster. So that's gonna be fun. Gonna making this guy. And then Cooper, my youngest grandson, he doesn't draw yet. So I'm just gonna find a monster pattern, and I'm just gonna make him a monster. And so he won't be left out. So after I finish my film to fiber project, then my grandson's amigurumis are next. So, and then what I would really love to do in my spare time, because you know I have that, what I would love to do is dig into this. Where is it? Hold on, I gotta find it. I've got it laying here. I know I had it right here. Ah, I had this new book. I think yeah, here it is. Um, I got this book, and it's socks. And so crochet socks, and there's like, I don't know how many patterns there are in here for socks. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Does it tell on there? 12. Good night. It's right there. I'm sitting here counting it. 12 different sock patterns in this book. So if I have time and can do it, I would love to make each of one of my kids a pair of socks to go into their stocking. But we shall see. That may be a next year's Christmas project. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm going to get off of here and get busy with some stuff. The the guys that are doing the renovation in the kitchen are going to be back again this morning here in just a little bit. And so I didn't have pictures to share yesterday, but I'll have pictures to share today, because they're really getting in on it. They just about got every bit of the white tile out. They've got just a little bit more in the laundry room to dig up, and they're starting to put the boarding down that goes the subfloor. It's going in. So I'm excited. They're really getting things done. So I will have pictures to share at the end of the day today after they leave, to show you the update. And hopefully they're going to be at the spot where the cabinets are supposed to be done next week. So I'm hoping that what they get done today puts them on schedule for the cabinets to go in next week. So we shall see, and I'll let y'all know how it's going. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. Love you guys so much. And I'm not going to see you tomorrow, so I want to let you know that I am super thankful for each and every one of you. I am thankful for all the friendships that I've made through this YouTube channel. I am so thankful for all the support that you guys give to Critters Crochet. I couldn't have this channel without y'all. So I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. Sorry, I'm starting to get choked up. I just love y'all so much. And I'm so thankful for this channel. I'm so thankful for everyone that's a part of it. I'm thankful for all of you. And I hope you make amazing, wonderful memories this holiday season. I pray that your Thanksgiving will be full of love and laughter. And I hope that you have the most amazing, amazing time with your friends and families. the rest of this week that you can have. And I will see you again on Monday. Love you guys. See you in the next one.